There was a time not long ago when he didn't even look like a man anymore. He wasn't broken because of one moment. No, they broke him in layers, slowly, quietly. The kind of pain that doesn't scream, but seeps into your bones like cold water. The kind that wakes you up in the middle of the night, gasping, with your heart pounding, not because of a nightmare, but because reality had become one. He didn't cry for help. He didn't post quotes online. He didn't scream about betrayal or write about heartbreak. He stayed silent, but that silence wasn't weakness. It was pressure, building, stacking, brewing, because while everyone thought he was done, he was actually preparing for the most violent kind of rebirth a man can experience. The one that doesn't heal you back to who you were, but transforms you into someone they won't recognize anymore. They thought they destroyed him when they walked away. They thought they crushed him when they laughed behind his back. They thought they ended him when life stripped everything he had worked for. What they didn't know was that some men are forged in fire. He didn't just lose love. He didn't just lose friends. He lost his ability to feel anything. He'd walk into rooms and not say a word because somewhere deep inside, he felt like speaking wouldn't matter. Who was listening anyway? People don't care about the silent man. They care about the one who dances, who smiles, who pretends everything's fine. But he wasn't pretending anymore. He didn't have the energy to. He saw his own reflection and didn't recognize the man staring back, hollow eyes, a still face, a lost soul. But here's the part they never see, the war behind those eyes, the one raging in silence, the one building momentum in the shadows, because while he stayed quiet, he was watching everything. He saw who left when he had nothing. He saw who changed when he was no longer useful. He saw the ones who claimed to love him, yet disappeared when he needed them the most. And slowly, something began to shift out at first. It wasn't strength. It was rage. Not the kind you throw at the world, but the kind that sits in your chest like a bomb. The kind that says, "You won't recognize me when I come back." He didn't want revenge. He didn't want to hurt anyone. He just wanted to become a man so powerful, so undeniable, so bulletproof, that silence would be louder than any scream. He started showing up, not for the world, but for himself. 5 a.m., no one watching, no applause, no encouragement. Just him and the war he swore he'd win. Cold showers, heavy workouts, long nights, tired eyes, empty stomach, quiet tears. And yet, every single day he showed up. He read when his mind was foggy. He trained when his body begged for rest. He studied when the world was out partying. And he sacrificed comfort, connection, and even love, because now it was personal. He wasn't chasing success anymore. He was chasing redemption from the man he used to be. And then, slowly, the cracks began to seal, not with hope, but with discipline, not with love, but with focus. And the man they once ignored was now becoming unignorable. He didn't need validation. He didn't need closure. He didn't need them. Because once a man realizes that no one is coming to save him, that's the moment he begins to save himself. And when that happens, when a man resurrects himself from rock bottom, with nothing but grit and rage and discipline, he becomes unstoppable. His silence, now terrifying. His presence, commanding, his eyes, focused, his heart, untouchable, because he finally understood. Some men don't need a second chance. They need a reason to never fall again. And what they gave him, that pain, that abandonment, that betrayal, was the perfect reason. He stopped trying to be liked, stopped trying to fit in, stopped shrinking himself to make others comfortable. He walked alone. He worked alone. He grew in the shadows. And one day, without announcement, he stepped out of the darkness. The same people who broke him, now, stunned into silence. The same ones who laughed, now wondering how. And the world that once ignored him, now staring in awe. But he didn't smile. He didn't gloat. He didn't say a word, because he remembered who he was before the pain. And he loved who he became because of it. They broke him, yes, but they forgot something. Some men don't stay down. Some men rise. And when they do, they don't come back the same. They come back dangerous. And maybe that's what they never saw coming, that the man they tried to break was learning to rebuild, silently, patiently. Every insult, every betrayal, every dark night alone, it didn't weaken him. It trained him. See, not all warriors roar in battle. Some heal in silence. Some rise without noise. And when they come back, they don't come back the same. He didn't want revenge. He wanted resurrection. He didn't need applause. He needed strength. And he didn't care if they watched anymore, because he was too busy becoming someone they could never hurt again. So remember this. The world might break your heart, crush your dreams, bury your fire, but it only wins if you stay down. You want to win? Stand up, quietly, strongly, and watch them shatter when they realize you weren't finished after all.